Okay, so let's do lab 5.68 where we configure the Switch IP and the VLAN GUI. After installing your Cisco switch, you would like to assign it a static IPv4 address and change the default VLAN used. So in this lab, your first step is to access the switch console using Google Chrome with the following provided information. So this is the site. So you're going to copy, then go to your Google Chrome over here, type it in, then press enter. Then the username we've been told is Cisco and the password is Cisco. So login. We waited to process the data. Once it's done, I want you to go to administration. And once you get to administration, I want you to get to management interface. So expand that, then click on IPv4 interface. Configure an IPv4 static IP address for VLAN using the following. So first of all, we need to configure an IPv4 static IP address. So the IP address type is static, and then the IP address is 192.168.45.72. Then we've been told that the net mask is 255.255.255.0. So this matches what then the administrative default gateway is 192.168.45.1. Good. So we need to apply this change. Okay. So once we are processing our data, we need to go to the second step, which is to change the switch default VLAN to 16. So we've been logged out of the Cisco Small Business Switch. So we need to log in again. So the username is Cisco and the password is Cisco. So once we are logged in, we need to access VLAN management. So access the VLAN management. Let's go to the VLAN default VLAN settings. We need to set the default VLAN ID as 16. Okay. Then apply the changes. So we are told that you are about to change the system default VLAN ID, which will remove the current default VLAN ID from the system. If you want to reuse the current VLAN ID, you must create it again. Also, the switch must be rebooted for the change to take effect. So say OK. Okay, so once we get there, we have applied our changes and we have saved. So come here where it's blinking save and make sure that you save. Okay, then we need to reboot. So so that the changes may apply. So you are rebooting the switch, and that is that. We are so done. That's how you do lab 5.68 and that's how you configure a switch IP and VLAN. So we're going to score lab. I'll share the results on the YouTube thumbnail, and I want you to take advantage of it and just look at it, and also remember to click subscribe once you have done that.